How to block ads in Android. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to demonstrate and show you a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to block out the ads in Android. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can use a private DNS system Byte. For that, we need to head over to settings and then go to connections. Within connections, we can look out for more connection settings and find the option for private DNS. Once we select private DNS, we can select private DNS provider hostname, and there just go and type in dns.adcard.com and go ahead and tap on save. And this filters out the ads across most of the applications and browser. Also, we can block ads in Chrome browser. So open up Chrome, and once we open up Chrome, we can look out for the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select the option of settings. Inside settings, we can look out for the option called site settings and open it up. And once we open up site settings, we can look out for the option called pop-ups and redirects. Tap on it and we can turn this option off as well. We can tap on do not allow sites to send and block the deceptive ads. Apart from that, we can disable ad personalization as well. For that, we can go to the settings, and within settings option, we can go to the option for Google, find Google option and tap on it. And inside Google, go to all services, and here we can look out for the option called ads if we find that option here. So go ahead and tap on ads. And here you can choose the option of deleting the advertising ID and go ahead and do so to reduce the targeted ads. And that's it. Those are probably some of the ways you can follow up to stop up the pop-up ads by adjusting it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.